Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to open a Revolut business account in 2025. So, in order to do this, you'll have to first of all open any browser on your mobile phone or PC. Then go to the search bar and type in Revolut business account and hit enter. Now, after typing in this and hitting enter, you will see different search results where you'll have to go to the one that says www.revolut.com business account manager finances. Click on that and it is going to show you this page where you'll have to first of all accept all the cookies. Then click on the get started button you will get here. You can also click on the three-lined icon at the top right and click on the sign up button at the bottom right. Now, you can also click on get started here. Now, it will take you to this page where you'll have to first of all choose your country. Click on country, then search for the name of your country. Select your country, click on continue. After this, if Revolut is not available in your country, you'll have to click on join waitlist. Now choose your business type and click on continue. Now simply enter your email address, then click on continue. Now, enter the code you would have received on your email. After entering the code received on your email, you'll have to enter your phone number and click on continue. Now, enter the code you would have received on your phone number. Now, simply create a strong password and click on continue. After this, it is going to show you this page. So, you'll have to simply enter your first name and last name. Now, enter your date of birth. Now, enter your business name. Click on continue and as you can see, we have successfully joined the waitlist for our account. So under 24 to 48 hours, Revolut will send you an email where they would have successfully allowed you to join their platform and your waitlist time will be over. So that is the simple way to open a Revolut business account. Now, what we'll do is simply log out of our Revolut account. We'll click on create account again. And this time we are going to choose another country where Revolut will be available. Now I'll click on continue. Now choose your business type, click on continue, enter your email, click on continue. Now after entering the code on your email, what you'll have to do is simply enter your phone number. So after following the prompts and coming to the next steps, what you'll have to do is choose your citizenship on this page. So you'll have to choose your citizenship and choose I have a proof of residence, add the state of incorporation, your business legal name, business trade name, EIN, date of incorporation, then click on continue, follow the prompts and you would have successfully opened a Revolut business account in 2025 quickly. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.